Are you feeling sluggish, bloated, or struggling to shed those extra pounds? What if I told you that the right cleanse could reset your body and kickstart your weight loss journey? But with so many cleanses out there, how do you know which one really works? Stick around because today we're breaking down the best cleanses for weight loss and how to choose the right one for you. Welcome back to Wellness Journey. If you're new here, we dive deep into the world of health, weight loss, and wellness to bring you the most practical tips. Today's topic: weight loss cleanses. We'll explore what they are, how they work, the different types, and which ones are backed by science. By the end, you'll know exactly which cleanse might be your weight loss secret weapon. Let's get started. Is a cleanse just another diet, or is there more to it? A cleanse is designed to detoxify your body, eliminating toxins and resetting your system. It often involves specific juices, teas, or meal plans. Unlike traditional diets that focus on calories, cleanses aim to support your liver, kidneys, and digestive system. But do cleanses really help you lose weight? Let's find out. Have you ever tried a cleanse before? Share your experience in the comments. Can a cleanse actually burn fat, or is it just water weight? Cleanses work by reducing inflammation, improving digestion, and boosting your metabolism. When your body is overloaded with toxins, it stores more fat. By cleansing, you help your body eliminate these toxins, making it easier to shed pounds. But here's the catch. Not all cleanses are created equal. So which ones work best? Let's explore the different types of cleanses and which ones have the most impact. Juice cleanse, water fast, or detox tea? Which one is right for you? Let's break down the most popular cleanses. Juice cleanses involves consuming only fresh juices for a few days. Packed with vitamins but lacks protein and fiber. Best for a quick reset. Water fasting, consuming only water for a set period. Can lead to rapid weight loss but risky without supervision. Best for short, intense detox, only with medical advice. Detox tea cleanses, herbal teas that claim to detoxify. Can aid digestion but watch out for laxatives. Best for mild detox and bloating relief. Whole food cleanses, focuses on clean, unprocessed foods, sustainable and balanced. Best for long-term results. Which cleanse are you most curious about? Let me know below. Which cleanses actually deliver real weight loss results? Here are the top cleanses for weight loss that get real results. The Master Cleanse. Famous but extreme. Lemon juice, maple syrup, and cayenne pepper. Effective but tough to maintain. 3-day juice cleanse. Easy to follow with pre-made juices. Ideal for beginners. 14-day whole food. Detox eliminates processed foods, sugar, and dairy. Promotes healthy habits long-term. Apple cider vinegar cleanse. Boosts metabolism and reduces appetite. Simple addition to your daily routine. But are there any risks to cleansing? Let's dive into that next. Can cleanses be dangerous for some people? Cleanses can be powerful, but they're not for everyone. Some risks include nutrient deficiencies, fatigue and dizziness, digestive issues. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any cleanse, especially if you have underlying conditions. How do you pick the best cleanse for your body and goals? Consider your goals and lifestyle. For quick detox, juice cleanse. For sustainable weight loss, whole food cleanse. For gut health, probiotic or tea cleanse. Listen to your body, start slow, and don't push too hard. Ready to try a cleanse? Here's how to maximize your results. Choosing the best cleanse for weight loss depends on your body and goals. Cleanses can reset your system, but the real key is consistency and healthy habits. Remember, a cleanse is a tool, not a magic bullet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weight loss tips. Have questions about specific cleanses or want a video on a particular topic? Comment below and we'll cover it next time. Stay healthy and see you soon. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.